Hey, what's up, YouTube? This Enoch coming back with a quick video. 777. Hope all is well. Shouts out to everybody out there. Stay safe, focused, and balanced. Reporting live from the underworld. But yeah, so gang stalking and cleaning. Let me just say this. I'm not trying to make nobody paranoid, but it's bigger than what you think right about now. So people have been body snatched by the other side. By you getting 2020 vision, you will begin to pick up on this demonic behavior. Do you feel like people are eavesdropping on you? You could be doing something spiritual, researching information. Something may be on. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, they appear in your surroundings. And right then and there, that is not that physical person. That is an outside resource trying to tap into your energy to see what you have going on, because by you knowing what is happening, this is how the demons will begin to try to infiltrate you and to plot against you. It is involving sound. So picture this, right? Introvert, hermit mode, by yourself, in tune with your higher self. All of a sudden, somebody start cleaning on the outside. You hear walking, sweeping by your window repeatedly, over and over. Over a certain period of time, this will begin to break you down. And this is a form of mind control using sound. So if you are by yourself and you letting these people get to you, this is how they can win, because they want you to eventually cave in on yourself. And this is those people bringing the outside noises in the house. So a car slamming with the doors, things like that. They want you to hear that. So eventually, hold on. They want you to hear that. So eventually that could break you down. And once again, this is an energy grabbing matrix. It is all about diminishing and grabbing the light that you currently have. So another tactic they use. But just keep your eye on the sounds and see what is actually taking place. They want to repeat the same sounds over and over to eventually put you under MK Ultra mind control and pick up on it. So as soon as it happens, you do not absorb that energy. You just let everything happen, and you understand that this is a spiritual battle. So whatever those demons have going on, you do not have to react or participate in that. But like I said, man, it is more than cleaning. It is a spiritual battle. You know, this Enoch 777. Peace.